Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video we are going to talk about how to start an e-commerce business in Nigeria, especially if you are a beginner. So this is going to be like a simple step-by-step guide that you can use to start an e-commerce business. Now, the beauty about e-commerce business is that you can do it from the comfort of your home. You can do it from any part of the world, especially if you master how it works. So I'm going to be showing you the entire step-by-step process to set up an e-commerce business in Nigeria. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I am very glad to have you here. My name is Awajima Misioto, and on this channel, as we teach you how to do stuff online. We show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So straight to the point, all I need you to do for me is to just like this video, subscribe to this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I put out a new video. Okay, so let's go straight into the video. Let me show you how you can start an e-commerce business in Nigeria. So my first step is for you to conduct a market research. That is very important. When we say market research, you need to identify the products that are in demand. When we say products that are in demand, we are talking about hot products. You don't want to be selling things that people can get easily. No, you want to sell something that they can look for, something that they really want. You need to understand your target market, their needs, their preferences, their buying habit. You need to understand what people are willing to buy. Okay, a very good example of that is tech products. Tech products are evergreen products. They will continue to sell till forever. All right, so you need to understand the tech products that you want to be selling. A very good example is laptops. People will continue to buy laptops till forever. So that's a very good niche, but you need to take some time and do a very good research before you go into the business. So that is my number one. Number two is for you to choose your niche. You need to select a specific market that will help you stand out. A niche is just an area that you want to focus on. Okay, you can decide that you want to be selling health products, or you want to be selling fashion products, or you want to be selling kitchenwares, or you want to be selling tech products. So you need to choose your niche. You don't want to be selling everything. That's the mistake that 99% of beginners make when they want to go into e-commerce business. They are selling this, they are selling that, they are selling so many things. So people are confused. You need to pick a particular niche. All right, that's going to help you to really get your target audience. That is step number two. Step number three is for you to create a business plan. All right, if you want to go far with this business, you have to have a good plan. Although this is not really necessary if you want to start, it's not really necessary. But if you're going to build a sustainable e-commerce business, then you should also set out the time to create a very good business plan for yourself. A good business plan will give you insight into how you want to run your business. It will help you to see what your target audience are all about and what your competitors are doing. It will help you to structure your business properly. Okay, so with a good business plan, you can decide whether you want to be in sole proprietorship or you want to partner with people to do the business. All right, it will even help you to know how you want to be generating funds, how you want to be generating money for the business. But remember, I said it is not really necessary, but it is important if you want to take the business for a very long time. All right, so if you want to do your business plan, if you really want to do a business plan, you can drop a comment for me in the comment section. All right, that is number three. Number four is that you need to register the business. This is very important. At first, if you're starting, you may not register the business, but when you start to see that you are now making some good amount of money, you should do the necessary thing. All right, you don't want to build a business that you'll be having some legal troubles when you are now making money. All right, very, very important. You need to choose a very good business name. You need to choose you need to register the business, because one important thing about this business is that there is the challenge of trust. Okay, so people will not give their money to somebody who they don't trust. So this is where it is very important for you to set up and register the business in a very good business name. All right, so you by the time people see your business online, they want to trust you, they want to identify with you, they want to do business with you. Okay, that is step number 4. Step number 5 is that you should choose an e-commerce platform. So after you've gone through all of the processes of selecting your niche, of choosing the kind of business, the kind of things you want to be selling, and registering the business name, the next thing is to select a platform that suits you. When we say selecting a platform is, we mean you want to choose where people will meet you. Okay, you want to choose a platform where people will meet you. If you're starting out, you can start with social media like Instagram or like TikTok, where people can actually see your product displayed online. Or you can join marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace, or let's say Jumia or Konga or Gigi, or any other marketplace that are available for you. Another thing that is very important is for you to build a website that helps you take orders and payment while you sleep. This is very, very, very important. You cannot put this out of the business. You need a website, because at some point you can't be handling orders that are like 200 orders or 500 orders in a week. You will get crazy. So you need a system that will help you push people to a platform where they can actually place order even while you are asleep, even while you are away. So they can place order, and if you create the setup properly, you can even take payments before you deliver, because sometimes one of the issues in e-commerce business is the issue of delivery and taking payment. Some clients will tell you, some customers will tell you that they will pay on delivery, and when you go and deliver, they are nowhere to be found. So you need to understand that you need a system that will handle your order processing, your payment, and your delivery. Very, very important. If you want to do this, if you want to build a website for your business, whether it is for e-commerce or for something else, just go to the comment section and drop a comment for me, or you can go to the link in the description to see links for how you get access to me and other information. All right, that's step number 5. So step number 6 is for you to set up a logistic system. Very, very important. Logistics and delivery is critical to the commerce, the success of your business. Okay, if you want to succeed in this business, you need a very good logistic system. You don't want to be struggling to deliver when people are placing orders for your product every day. You want to have a logistic system that can help you deliver the product for people. So you can decide to use your own logistic company, or you can decide to use third-party logistic company. That's step number 6. Step number 7 is for you to choose a fulfillment model. How do you want to deliver? Do you want to hold down inventories? Do you want to buy products in bulk? Do you want to store them? Do you want to ship it by yourself, or you want the supplier to deliver the product by themselves? So you have to decide that on your own. That is step number 7. Now step number 8 is for you to market the business, because having a product to sell and not marketing is as good as no money in your bank account. So you want to be able to do a lot of marketing so that people can see your product and place order for your product. One way you can do this is either you want to collaborate with influencers to promote your product, or you want to use paid ads like Facebook ads, like Instagram ads, or like Google ads. So any of these can work for you. All right, now the next one is for you to deliver excellent customer service. If you do all of the first to the 8 steps properly, you notice that people will start ordering for your product. And if they start ordering for your product, the best way to grow this business and be successful is for you to deliver excellent customer service. You don't want to be waiting, or you don't want to be delaying when customers have placed their order. You want to ensure that they enjoy their experience when you deliver. You want to also provide support. Okay, when you deliver your product, you want to reach your customers and be sure that they received their product. You need to be available so that in case there are inquiries or there are complaints, you want to take their complaints and make sure that there's a smooth shopping experience. All right, all of these things, if you do it properly, you notice that people will come back to you to buy things from you because there will be trust. Okay, and then it can help to boost your business. So these are the steps, these are the 9 steps that you can follow step by step to build and start an e-commerce business in Nigeria. I believe that you got value from this. If you got value from this, just click the like button, subscribe to this video, make sure to turn on your notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you will be notified. So lastly, before I leave, if you want to learn how to start e-commerce business today, all you need to do is to go to the link in the description. Check for a link in the description, click that link, all right? Or you go to the comment section, drop a comment for me, all right? This is not free, okay? It's not free. It's for serious minded persons, all right? So if you want to be part of that, it's a program for serious minded people who want to start earning from e-commerce business. All you need to do, like I said before, is to go to the link in the description, check for links there to the access. All right, click on that link or comment in the comment section, or check the pinned post in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.